Wow, everybody check out the Greenstalks. They're going crazy. I'll do a little close-up video of everything, but wow, everything is just exploding and growing like crazy. And so we're experimenting with everything this year. We've got stuff growing in the garden. Dave's been watering the garden this morning, and we've got stuff in Greenstalks. We've got stuff in grow bags. I've got different things planted in the garden. Wow, look at, you were with me, you guys, when we planted these, and look how big they're getting. Oh, how exciting. There's a beautiful angel. Oh, you guys need some water up there. And all kinds of new things popping up in here. Wow, look. That has gone crazy. The oregano, good. Oh my gosh, and the sunflowers are popping up. Wow. Lots of perennials and edibles in here, and wow. Exploding with life. And I'm purposely letting our beautiful wild lettuce grow here. Oh, this is so exciting. Thanks for being with me, you guys, and I'm just thinking about your comments and love, and as soon as we get done watering here, we'll share a little bit more. But thank you. Thank you for being with me. As you're inspired, I'm inspired, and I love you guys for that. Thank you. More soon.